Welcome, it's Dadson Holidays Edition, and today we're going to be taking you to Adeline Cemetery.
This is a home haunt that combines two different yards and continues to grow year after year. So be sure to stick around to the end to see all the best parts.
Come one, come all. All come alive with laughter, and shadows come out to play. Embrace the mysterious ambiance, and let the spirit guide your way.
Now, you see a lot of slashers and monsters in home haunts and haunted houses, but you rarely see pinheads, so it's a great time to see them, and we'd love to know in the comments below who your favorite Halloween monster or slasher character is. Let us know.
It's fishing line, dude.
So this is the entrance of the walkthrough, and I really like this area. Tell us in the comments below what you like about this.
Buried over the years. Why, some were even dead when I buried them. Dead. I had to bury them just to keep them quiet.
This is that audio company. Oh, we got a second one in the line.
So the dragon here is a great example of how they add to this haunt every year. So he's new this year, and we love how they playfully added the skeleton holding him on the chain. He was an awesome addition, and the fog helped set the mood for the entire haunt.
I am rooted in your brain and found the treasure of your deepest fears. I have collected them all now and will taunt you relentlessly in your dreams. We're gonna have such fun. Now, fall asleep and begin your nightmare. I am living proof. Time for you to run along.
Oh, your head got awesome.
It sounds like a tornado siren, and I don't like that.
Now, in the yard, if you didn't notice, the animatronics are covered. So they each have individual houses, which means that they're protected in all weather conditions, which helps save them and leave the haunt running even when the weather isn't the best. Now, this is the witch area. We just passed one headless horseman. Stay tuned because we're going to see another one, and it's honestly my preferred version.
The headless horseman arrives tonight. You'd better take it.
Now, this version here, I don't know if it's licensed or not, but it's straight out of the Tim Burton Sleepy Hollow, and this is the version I like the most. I think he's awesome. This section here has a bunch of handmade and custom pieces, but one of the custom pieces you'll notice is on his 12-foot skeleton. He actually put a motor on the head to have the head rotate, which we think is really cool. Directly next to Adeline Cemetery, the neighbors get in on the fun and they have this pirate theme section. And we think this is a cool addition and adds something to the entire area. And we love when multiple houses get together and decorate. Even if the themes are different, it gives you a break and it brings more Halloween spirit out. At this point in the video, it's a good time to share a dad joke. So a skeleton walks into a bar, orders a drink and a mop. All right, after checking out the neighbors, we're going to swing back and show you the front of the yard, which when we went through last time, we looked to our right to see all the animatronics. Now we're going to stay focused on the center part of the yard, and there are some awesome displays in there.
Come one, come all. All come alive with laughter, and shadows come out to play. Embrace the mysterious ambiance, and let the spirit guide your way.
These tombstones are all custom made, and most of them have some pretty unique sayings, which are actually really fun. Like, for example, in the back, there's one that said, if you made it this far in the video and haven't hit the subscribe, you absolutely should, because if you love Halloween, you found the right place. Also, hit that like button so other people can find this video as well.
They say this place is home.
So while the interior is mostly statics, one of the great features is the fog machines are set up and motion activated. But the statics here are amazingly detailed and super creepy. They really add to it, and the lighting in here is top notch. So even though they're not animated, it really adds to the craziness and the insane Halloween theme.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, liking, subscribing, and turn on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.